Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your mailbox and creating a full backup before deleting. Open Outlook and choose File, Open and Export, then Import/Export. Select Export to a file and choose Outlook Data File, PSD. Pick your inbox folder and include subfolders, then choose a clear file name and location. Click Finish and set a password only if you need encryption. Close Outlook after export completes, and copy the PSD to an external drive for safekeeping. Next, delete messages efficiently using search and keyboard shortcuts. Use the search box to filter by sender, subject, date, or has attachments true. Press Ctrl+A to select all search results, or hold Shift and click to select a continuous range. Press Delete to move items to deleted items for review. To permanently remove without recovery, press Shift+Delete and confirm the permanent deletion dialog. Work in batches of 5,000 to 50,000 messages to avoid performance slowdowns. Finally, clean up leftover items and set retention policies to prevent buildup. Right-click deleted items and choose Empty Folder to reclaim space immediately. In Outlook Web, open deleted items and choose Recoverable items, then Purge to remove permanently. Review File, Options, Advanced and Auto Archive settings to archive messages older than 365 days automatically. Ask your administrator about retention policies that may hold messages for 30 or 90 days. Restart Outlook and verify your mailbox size has decreased after cleanup completes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.